Hi everyone, welcome back to Nutnose, the online trading platform for nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post and edit an offer on our platform. Before we start, I'd like to remind you that any offer on Nutnose is anonymous and any deal is subject to your final confirmation. Furthermore, you can always edit or delete an offer whenever you want, so don't despair if you get any details wrong the first time around, you can always come back and change them. Alright, let's get started. To begin, click on Sell Your Product in the top left, and you'll be taken to the Add a New Offer page. In step 1, the system asks you, okay, what do you want to post an offer for? So let's pretend I'm posting an offer for some US almonds. So I'm going to select almonds, I'm going to select USA as the origin, and let's pretend I'm posting an offer for some conventional almonds. So I'm going to click on Save and Continue and move forward to step 2, where our system will ask you for the specifications of the product. And let's pretend we're offering a load of caramel supremes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in caramel and I'm going to select this from the drop down menu. So I'm selecting caramel here. I'll type in supreme. Oops, bit of typo. And you'll hear me type a bit. So I'm going to select supreme here. And let's say they're 2730s. And so we've also given you the freedom to include any tags or specifications that our system doesn't recognize yet. And the way you do this is, let's say, pretend these caramel supremes are bluish for some reason. You just type in bluish and you either hit the enter key or you select bluish here and you'll see you create a new tag. And right now the bluish tag will be displayed along the other specifications on your offer. So we give you the freedom here to include any tags that we haven't included in the system yet. Right. Okay. So from there, we're going to select the crop year. Let's put it at current, and we also give you the option to include the production, the expiry date, and we also allow you to include a picture. Now these are all optional. You don't have to include them, and so we're going to disregard them for now. Just save and continue and move to step 3. Right. So in step 3, we're going to ask you for the quantity and the pricing. So let's say, okay, I'm offering a full load of almonds. So it's 44,000 pounds. Then let's say they cost $3 a pound. And let's pretend we're offering FAS Oakland. Now in this little text field, please make sure that after you type something in, you select the correct option from the drop down menu. This is our Google Maps add-in, and if you do not select the correct option from the drop down, you won't be able to move forward to step 4 in a bit. So make sure to do that. Alright, packaging, this is optional. I know what the packaging is here, so I'm gonna say, okay, these are 50-pound cartons, and let's say this is for prompt shipment. Then we click on save and continue and move to step 4, where we can include any documents that I can provide with my offer. Any buyer can also require a certain set of documents before they close a deal, so I'm going to leave this to the buyer right now and move to the terms and conditions. And these are the terms and conditions that apply to this contract. If you don't know what these mean and which ones you should put on your offer, please get in touch with us via the chat window on the bottom left, and we'll be happy to assist you right away. For now, I'm gonna go with the TNA conditions. All right, payment. Right now on Nutnose, for any spot deal, we always work on a full prepayment basis, so that's standard. However, as I've selected FAS as the Incoterm, I can choose as the seller to either work on a CAD basis with an optional amount of prepayment, or I can choose to work with an LC. At this point, I'll go with CAD, and I don't require any prepayment. So I'm gonna save and continue, and this will already take me to the last step of creating an offer, which is to select for how long the offer is valid. And let's say my offer is valid for 3 days right now. So I'm gonna click on done, place offer, which will put the offer online. And right, so the system will take me back to my stock and prices, and we'll now see that the offer has been created. And we can go back to the offers page and see it being displayed there. And so we see right here in the top, we've gone to almonds, and we see our offer caramel supremes 2730. has been created. Now, let's say that you suddenly remember that prices have changed or the quantity that you can offer has changed or well, whatever it may be. Um, you want to change the offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on stock in the top, and here we can click in the top right of this little offer card and we see three dots. We click on edit and we can basically change anything that we may have missed the first time around. So let's say, well, I forgot to include the Nutnose commission, which is 1%, or suddenly the prices of almonds have changed. So let's pretend these almonds are now costing 305. So I've input 305 now. I make sure to save and continue this step that I've changed things for. And then I can just click on done, place offer again, and it will update the whole offer. So you'll see it's 305 now. And if we go back to the offers overview, you'll also see that it's 305 right there. Right. All right, that's it. Pretty easy. I hope you think it's easy too. Um, yeah, posting an offer only takes about a minute, and you'll be a pro in no time. However, if you still think this is a tedious process, and if a minute per offer is still too long for you, we also have some good news. We can also automate the whole process of uploading and updating offers. And to do this, please get in touch with us and we'll get it arranged for you. Happy trading. See you online. Goodbye.